I invite the ghost lady to eat ice cream. The ghost lady really loved the ice cream that the kitten gave her, but the sun came up and she had to leave with regret. Goodbye, ghost lady. Goodbye, kitten. Because it thought the kitten's fingerprints were caused by it.